Making money is a skill that not everyone possesses. Combine that with the fact that following the pandemic, the world economy only became worse, making it tougher and harder to earn money. Global inflation is anticipated to climb by another 6.5% in 2022, which indicates that even those who are doing good will need to address their financial situation quickly. But the difficult part is, the economy is so poor, making it hard to generate income. It also feels like it's sucking your money away. That, however, is not the case. We'll be looking more closely at 15 ways in this video on how to make more money even in a poor economy. Welcome to Finance Bliss, where future billionaires go to get inspiration. If you're new around here, you can join the community by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you can be one of the first subscribers to watch our new videos. Let's get started with today's number 1. Become an ad. That may sound a little funny, but truly we mean is becoming a walking advertisement. Even while many businesses now primarily rely on digital marketing, there are still those that use more conventional direct marketing methods. One example is utilizing cars as moving advertisements. You can sign up with companies in your neighborhood that use wrapped cars for advertising. In this manner, you'll be able to continue using your car as usual while earning some extra cash on the side. On a regular basis, it involves no significant effort on your behalf. You only need to finish the wrap, then you're ready to let that car of yours earn its fuel. Number 2. Open an Etsy shop. There aren't many crafty people in the world, but those who are able to use their talent for profit can do so very quickly. Using websites like Etsy, you may transform your hobbies and interests in arts and crafts into a real business opportunity. Whatever you choose, you are free to construct own creations. Open an Etsy shop and add them there. If you're not very crafty, you could even make vintage goods. You can sell your craft items, less the effort of going out and finding customers, as they can simply place an order should they be looking for products like yours. Additionally, you can do this by joining pertinent Facebook groups and using Instagram, but those options will take much more significant time and work. Customers on Etsy already knew what they were looking for to purchase. All you need is to offer an item that matches their needs, and you're good to go. Number 3. Utilize your skills as a freelancer. The majority of us currently maintain day jobs. Even though arts and crafts may not be everyone's strong suit, day jobs aren't often extremely glamorous. You may work as a healthcare provider, event organizer, makeup artist, or even a locksmith. You must be at least somewhat skilled at whatever it is that you do for a job, right? One drawback to day jobs is that you can only make a certain amount of money during a certain number of hours. But since you're also learning new skills, it's usually still worthwhile because you can utilize that expertise to take on other freelancing work. The only difference is that you will be earning cash right away as a side hustle, in addition to performing exactly what you do at work. People whose employers don't offer overtime will appreciate this. Additionally, you can list your expertise on Craigslist, a local website for freelancing, or even put up posters to promote your services on a neighborhood billboard. That being the case, even if your compensation at your day job doesn't increase, you'll still be able to earn a little more money doing what you already do every day. And while we're on the subject of getting more money with less work, check out our video on jobs that pay for literally doing nothing. You'll be surprised at how many options are in store for you. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 4. Benefit from the circumstance. It may sound a little crude, but this is merely a matter of basic economics. The idea of supply and demand covers how the world operates. Every time anything changes in the world, new demands arise, leaving space for additional suppliers to enter the market and fill the needs. Consider the rain in countries like Malaysia as an example. Randomly, it may rain at any time of the day. When it rains, there are always grab-and-go umbrellas so that those who weren't prepared might protect themselves from the weather. Remember that if there's an instant demand, an instant supply will come out. So, observe your neighborhood surroundings and ask yourself, what do people in my community need right now? Then, meet that need. It can be hand sanitizers, rain boots, or a hot chocolate on a cold winter morning. Whatever the circumstance, there will always be something you can do to benefit from it. Number 5. Apply for an extra job. By this point, the world has already seen a few recessions, and the time-tested suggestion to find additional employment is one that is frequently given. This used to mean that you had to go out and obtain another physically demanding work, which would have paid you but required a lot of additional physical effort that would not have been sustainable over the long period of time. The internet, however, has made it possible for you to pick up a second job anywhere in the world and do it from home. If you excel in a certain area, you may spend an hour a day tutoring tutoring someone online. A social media manager could be you if you excel in social media management without putting forth a lot of physical effort or moving. Remote employment enables you to make money in a down economy. Number 6. Open an Airbnb. Why not use a spare room in your house to generate income during a downturn in the economy? Even when conditions are dire, individuals continue to travel, some for pleasure and some out of need. And what is a must for all travelers? An accommodation. To build a guest house that might someday turn a profit, you would have needed to invest hundreds, if not millions, of dollars in the past. Nowadays, you can make profit out of your vacant space. Make money every time a visitor accepts your offer by signing up for Airbnb or listing your house for rent elsewhere online. Number 7. Start a dropshipping or reselling business on Amazon. Not only can you buy everything you want on Amazon, but you can also sell almost anything there. As a result, you can even offer something for sale on Amazon and utilize it to make sales. This doesn't necessarily imply that you need to purchase a ton of inventory to sell anything. You could even try dropshipping, wherein you place an order in behalf of your customers from your manufacturer, who then ships out the items straight to your customers' doorsteps. Here, you make money by slightly raising the product's price. Since you won't be paying for shipping or inventory maintenance, the full markup is your profit. Number 8. Make profit from second-hand items. Wherever you live, second-hand car industry is always flourishing even when the new car market isn't doing so well. Most likely, there is at least one excellent second-hand car dealership close by that provides the ideal opportunity for you to generate some income. Simply save up enough money to purchase one used car. Choose one that has some potential for improvement, then give it a fix before reselling it for more money. The repaired edition will almost certainly generate far more revenue than what you paid for it. Almost any industry can benefit from the application of this principle, like furniture, clothes, gadgets, pretty much everything. Regardless of the state of the economy, all you need to do is acquire something as cheaply as you can and sell it for a profit. Number 9. Organize a garage sale online. Even though we don't want to admit it, a lot of people are hoarders in some fashion. There's something we're all holding on to, whether it's accumulating way too many Pokemon cards or refusing to part with a pair of shoes that are obviously too small. If a traditional garage isn't your thing, you can host one online to get rid of items that are just taking up space in your home and turn that space into cash. You may do this by using apps like Poshmark or just by listing your items on social media and seeing if anyone is interested in buying them. In this manner, you can make some money while organizing your closet. Number 10. Food deliveries. People must eat healthfully. It is a non-negotiable no matter what is happening in the globe. You could be wondering how it will be advantageous to you when food is prominent everywhere. Well, it is simple. Someone needs to bring the food there so that it can truly reach the people who need it. And you may be that someone. You can easily sign up to drive for Uber Eats on platforms like Uber, serve customers their food, and earn money. The best part of this is that you don't actually need to quit your day job or put in a lot of demanding hours. You can still earn a respectable amount of money if you pick up a few hours here and there. Number 11. Become an online writer. Nowadays, it seems as though the internet and physical worlds are two separate places where we exist simultaneously. In the real world, we may be able to survive on our own quite fine, but the online world is limitless, and if you have a gift for writing, you may also establish your own niche in the vast universe. You may sign up for any writing platform and find work writing online because the majority of the internet relies on people to communicate their ideas through words. The ability to work for anyone, anywhere in the world, and yet make money is one of its great aspects. You have the option of working from home or wherever if you choose the freelancer's itinerant lifestyle. This is a chance that you shouldn't miss if you have a talent for writing. Number 12. Working as a virtual assistant. If you are excellent at planning and organizing things, then you might quickly land a job as a virtual assistant. Many people throughout the world are so overworked that they barely have time to arrange their days, and you might be the one they need to help them along the way. These positions are available online, and you are not even required to live in the same country as your company. You only need to ensure that their appointments are scheduled, emails are sent, and errands are organized. Everything that needs to be done will be explained to you step by step, and you may complete it all online. Wherever your location or the state of the economy, it's a quick and simple way to generate money. Number 13. Become an online mock juror. Even though jury duty may seem like a burden, becoming an online mock juror pays well. To gauge how compelling their case is, legal teams frequently use mock juries. The work is quite simple. All you have to do is join, review the case files, and provide assistance as needed. You will be compensated for your time, and the only effort required is for you to create an opinion about all you have heard. Number 14. Capitalize on your listening skills. While not everyone has good listening abilities, those who do can benefit from them. There are numerous businesses that require individuals to convert their audio and video files from spoken to written form. These files can be anything from lectures or seminars to straightforward YouTube videos like this one. You can earn money by simply listening and typing. Number 15. Become an online tutor. One of the best ways to generate money if you're good at something is by showing others how to be equally adept at it. As long as you're good at something like gardening, music class, craft tutorials, there are countless opportunities for you to teach that skill to others, whether in person or online. In this manner, regardless of the state of the economy, we'll be assisting them in learning something new as you generate your income. To put an end and as a thank you for being with us from start to finish, give the internet world a chance to help you look for earning opportunities even if the economy is not in a good shape. You can do anything even if your country's economy isn't doing all that well. Consider looking at freelance marketplaces like Fiverr to see what others are giving and to determine what you could be doing as well. Your skills may not always be at the forefront of your mind, but looking at what is already available will give you an idea of what you could be doing to earn money as well. We appreciate you watching this video. Join our wonderful community and subscribe to our channel if you thought this video was helpful. And if you're still looking for more, check out this video we personally selected for you to watch next, or visit our website for more relevant content. Until then, goodbye!